Hi everyone, thank you for joining me in this exciting video. I am excited too because today I start a 5-part mini-series named One Sketch, 2 Cards, which means that I choose a sketch and I make a male and a female style card using that sketch. So today I choose a reverse confetti sketch, number 19. For the female card, I decided to use green cardstock and the green gold polka dot pattern paper as a base on the frame. I found a piece of brown pattern paper in my stash. I always like to keep the little stripes, as much as I have storage place for this. I used double-sided glue tape to stick the base and the frame together. Before sticking it, I like to use a pointer to sign the place where I have to sew the corners. For the little parts, I use liquid adhesive. I'm following the sketch fairly closely, but when I arranged the flowers, I wanted to have a different layout. As a finishing touch, I put some rhinestones in the middle of the flowers. Here is my finished female card. For the male card, I choose black cardstock for the frame and the dark grey pattern paper, which look like an iron floor in a factory. I use the same materials for sticking, double-sided glue tape and liquid adhesive. I cut out the gears from silver mirror card. I think it looks very good in this card. When I glued these parts, I used only a little amount of liquid adhesive and used my finger to make it thinner and have it in most of the surface. I used as much cutted part as I could, and I keep the rest part for a later project. It will be perfect as sequins. Here is my finished mail card. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time in part 2. Hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.